Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about a tool that it can be very useful to run applications online. This that I'm showing you now in the browser is the Colab Research Google.com. It's a website that allows you to run Jupyter notebooks in the cloud. In here, I have many notebooks that I already have code before, but I'm going to open with you here a new notebook to show how it works. The first time you run it, it takes a while to open and import everything, but then it works just fine. So I'm going to import NumPy and other libraries. And just as in the regular Jupyter notebooks, it takes a while, but then it opens and it runs the commands that you just typed. It has some features that you can discover while you use it, but basically it is practically the same interface that you have when you have a regular Jupyter notebook. I'll just give you a few examples so I can iterate over an array, a NumPy array. I can also use it to create arrays. And perform operations on any array that you want. And it even shows you plots when I'm using matplotlib, for example, in anything that you want. So in here you can load and use any of the notebooks that you want. There is an option to open a notebook directly from GitHub. So those are the recent notebooks that I have in my Google Drive account. But if I use the GitHub tab and then type in GitHub URL or a GitHub user, it is going to show some options for repositories. So in here I have many repositories available. The last one that I updated was the repository for our course. So it shows all the notebooks that I coded for the class. I'm going to open one of them, which is the topic of our last video, image enhancement using histograms. And as you can see here, it opens just as in the original notebook in GitHub, and the difference is that I can run the commands. It will give me a warning that the notebook was not altered by Google, so that means that I loaded it from something from somewhere else. So it gives me a warning about that, but it doesn't matter. So I can just run everything. The drawback of using this is that it is online, so you are conditioned to the bandwidth that you have and also availability of the server. So I don't recommend you using or relying on it all the time, but it is a very useful tool in general. So that's it for this presentation, and see you soon.